So basically what we're going to be doing, you open this up, kind of just slaps down there because it has all its weight hanging on these cables there. So there will be a bracket that goes in here and connects up top there, and then that'll just pretty much cushion the fall of the tailgate. So let's get to it. So the kit comes with everything. It has your bracket that's going to relocate your shock, as well as give you another pin. You're going to be taking this one out and replacing it with the supplied one here. All the bolts you're going to need, take a 13mm, and then to slide this off, you just slide it out here and then up over the bolt. So we'll show you how to do it here real quick. So first things first, we're going to pop this guy off here. Now this is pretty easy, just pry it up over. So it's pretty easy, and then it gives me a hard time here. That. And then you pop the bolt off itself. And put the new one on. This one you're going to be using the biggest washer that they supply, as well as their supplied stud here. Next we're going to take this bolt out. Then this is where you get the bracket itself, and this will go up against the hinge that your tailgate rides on, and then you insert the bolt that was in the tailgate right in there. For the top end here, you want to make sure that you have both of these on the studs, because if you put the bottom one on, you won't be able to get the top one on if you've tightened the bottom one already. With the lower mount installed, then we'll put our strut on, the lower end here, and put one of the supplied nuts on. And when we tighten this one down, we don't want to make it real tight. We just want to make it to the point where the nut won't back off. Strut should move freely, so that's a little tight. And back it off just a tad. There we go. So that's moving freely like it should, but the nut's not going anywhere there. And before we put the nut on, we're going to take our small washer, put that in between this one and the cable itself, and we'll lift the tailgate up slightly. Grab our other nut and pop that on. Again, you don't want that to be super tight. It should move freely. And we're going to spray a little bit of lube in there to keep it nice and mobile. Look at that. And the only thing I'm noticing right away is because of the way the cable is kind of jammed up in there, the cable sometimes slips between the tailgate and the taillight itself. So we might have to finagle this a little bit to try and keep the cable going inside the tailgate, which I think just has to do with this lower mount here. So we'll just bend this tab in just a little bit so that the cable doesn't poke out when we don't want it to. That's pretty nice though. Yeah, not bad. So now with that, we don't have to worry about our tailgate slamming down, bending the hinges on the bottom of the truck itself, or even just blowing out the cables and whatnot. So this is a super helpful tool. Definitely recommend this for any of your guys' trucks. Any other questions, comment below, and stay tuned for the next one.